Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Have you been looking for where to get food warmers that last long, as in that you will put in your food and it will stay for too long? Then worry no more. Here in this video I'll be dropping suppliers contacts that sells this that retains hotness. Yes, so welcome and welcome back to my channel. Here in this channel I'll talk about how to make money online, importation, everything business. Now you're also lucky because I'm running my 30 days challenge and we're going to learn from each other. Yes, we're going to learn a lot. I'll be dropping suppliers contact back to back. So if you have any other contacts you want me to drop, go down to the description icon and your comment section, and also write in what you want me to drop. All right, just write the contact you want me to bring up on this my 30 days challenge, so I'll look into it. Now today we're looking into food warmer. Now so many persons said they keep buying food warmers and at the end, after putting in their food, it won't even retain hotness. And you know, we love our children's food still retain hotness, and we, like for example, workers, maybe for example you go to your workplace of works, you know, you want to your food to retain hotness. Me, I don't like cold food. I'm sure so many persons still don't like cold food, so that's why I'll be sharing my supplier's contacts. She sells original food warmers, so I'll be dropping contact back to back, some on WhatsApp, some on WeChat. So if it's on WeChat, all you just need to do is to add on the contact. If it's on WhatsApp, all you need to do is to chat them up and they understand English. So even if it's on WeChat and don't understand, WeChat automatically translate it to your country. So that is all for that. Then when you get what you want, the next thing you need to do is to place your order. How do you place your order? You just ask, add this, and you calculate and convert to their currency. They use yuan, convert to their currency. Then you can ask them for their Alipay scan code and they give it to you. Alipay scan code just like where the account details is, so you can scan it using your Alipay. Then if you don't know how to use Alipay to pay, you can also go through my other videos. I've made a video on how to use exchanger, so you can chat up with the exchangers. They are 100% legit. So if you're in Ghana, Cameroon, there are exchangers for you, so you can now chat them up and pay using them. They are 100% legit. So if you also want me to also pay for you, then you can come to my DM, but I have a service charge for that. Just go to the screen icon, you'll see where you can chat me up directly. So that is all. The next thing you need to do after packaging and writing your number and your address, make sure you watch and make sure your number is correct, make sure your name is correct. The next thing, you give them what they call your shipping company address. If you don't know how to, if you don't have any shipping company at all, you don't have idea, I've made a video on that. Go through my other videos. Then once you do that, they send your shipping company and shipping company will notify you, and you send to the shipping you send to the, when they send to the shipping company, they notify you, then you send to your location, and that is all. It's very easy. Then you get your thing. So welcome and welcome. Now you are an importer. See you in my next video, because I'll be dropping more contacts daily. If you don't like, hit the like button. It's totally free. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so it will notify you once I post my next video tomorrow. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Just go through and watch how the food warmers looks like. They look so amazing from those factories. All right, thank you.